Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, December the 20th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Three Stars, Four Stars Sudoku, and a Killer Sudoku. We have in this newspaper also an additional with extra puzzles, seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve not now but in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of the day. Well, we have 11 days to go till end of the year. That's the news. 11 days, yes. Less than 2 weeks. Well, countdown. The first regular puzzle is the 3 star Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9778. 9778. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have a pair in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these two boxes. We have a 2 and 8 in that big square, so no 2 and 8 in these two boxes. So the 2 and 8 in this column should be here and there. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 7. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in that column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 8. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in the second column, so no 2 and a 4 in these two boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. How about in 4 here? 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 7, 9. 3, 3. Yes, 7 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. Sorry, a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. All right. Then, let me see. Do we have all the 2s? Yes. And all the 2s are used. Nope. We've not all the 2s. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. And now, need 8 here. Need 8 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yep. And this big square, we have 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 5 in the column next. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5. 8 in the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 4 should be here. 1 number left now in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8, 8. Need 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. How about the 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. Then let me see. How about 6 there? Need a 4 here. In this column, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left with 4 in this column should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 4 should be there. So 9 and 1 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left with the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. Only place left with the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left with the 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, this. Oh, this 6 is not correct. We already have a 6 there. Well, almost made a mistake. Here 2 numbers left. Yeah, 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place left for 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. The 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And final 2. Nope. 4 and a 9. We have 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. And final numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 13 minutes. Well. 13 minutes. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.